In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Hostinger. If you want your website to look more professional and recognizable, adding a favicon is a great small detail that makes a big difference. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your website name, and it can also show up in bookmarks and other places around the web. It helps reinforce your branding and makes your site easier for visitors to identify. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the website section and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can manage your site and access its editing options. From there, find the website you want to update and click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, where you can make visual and general changes to your site. If you have multiple websites, just make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the editor, look for the More option. Click on that to reveal additional settings and tools that may not be visible in the main menu. This is where you'll usually find broader customization options beyond the standard page editing features. Next, click General Settings. This section contains important site-wide options, including your website's basic identity settings. Take your time here and make sure you're in the right area, because this is where Hostinger allows you to manage elements that affect your entire site, not just one page. Now, look for the favicon option. When you find it, click there, and you'll be able to upload your image. Choose the icon file you want to use for your website. For best results, use a simple, clear image that still looks good at a very small size. Since favicons are tiny, logos with too much detail can be hard to recognize, so a clean design usually works best. After uploading the image, give it a moment to process if needed. If your favicon doesn't appear right away in the browser tab, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a little time to update. And in some cases, you may need to refresh your browser or clear the cache before you see the new icon, and that's it. By opening your Hostinger account, selecting Website, clicking Edit Website, going to More, then General Settings, and uploading your image in the favicon section, you can quickly add a favicon to your site and give it a more polished look.